All right, this is going to be an easy lesson here today with two songs in it. We've got Escape, the Pina Colada Song by Rupert Holmes, which is just one progression and it goes through the whole song. And then we've got The Wait by the band, which is just maybe two or three different parts to that one. So Pina Colada Song, we're going to start out like this. We got... Okay, so let's break that down. We've got the F chord, and what's happening is we're going to play this on the first beat, but then the second beat will pass, and we play the next chord on the upbeat after the two. So it's like 1, 2, and then we hit the fourth beat, we hit that G chord. So it's like 1, 2, and 3, 4. So nothing happens on the 3 either. So we got 2, 3, 4, 2, and 4. And then here we go, 1, 2, kind of hold it for 2, and then we've got this chord, this sus chord, open, open, 1, 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's that second measure. Okay, so let's try it again. We got 3, 4, 1, 2, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we move to the C chord, 1, 2, and 4. We have that same feeling of that and of the 2 and the 4 beat. So it's C chord, 1, 2, E minor for that and then we hit the D minor on the fourth beat there. So that one is 1, 2, and 4. Okay, then the last measure we hit C again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is the tricky chord of the tune. So it's 2, 3, 3, and open. Okay, so this last measure is C, 2, and then 3, 4 on that chord there. Okay, so the whole thing, I'll play it again. We got 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, and 4. 3, 4. Okay, so great little chord progression on that one. Let's play that together. Nice and slow. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So I kind of put some chicks in there, kind of muted little hits to give it a little extra rhythm. So on the 2 beat, you can kind of throw one of those in there. And then quickly go to your A minor. So you can hit one on the 2 right there. That's if you're feeling like that. Okay, let's try it one more time. 2, 3, and... Okay, so pretty easy, but cool enough chords that's a fun song to do. So I hope you enjoyed that one. We're going to move on to The Wait by the band. Now this one we're going to skip the little intro thing. It's got a fancy little riff to it. We're going to come in with this, the verse chords. Okay, so pretty simple. We got the A chord 2 times, coming up to the C sharp minor, 6, 6, 5, 4. Now there's another C sharp minor over here, 2, 1, 2 open. I kind of feel like this one sounds a little bit better though, if you can get that. But if you want to try that one, it's quite easy to go from that one to this one. So you could do that as well. Now we have D twice, and then we have A once, and then we're going to go to the sus chord where we put the 3 there on the second string, and we can hit that open on the bottom too if you want. Just like we could hit the open with that, the rest of that A chord, 2, 2, 2, and open. We're going to go once on that, and then like a down, up, down, 3 hits on that sus chord. So we got... Okay, so we're going to do that 4 times through. So let's play that together, nice and slow. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 more times. Okay, now we're moving to the chorus. We got A once to E, D twice. So it's take a load off me. We do that 3 times. So A to E, D twice. And then we go 2 hits on that D, put the load right on. And then we're going to have a series of chords. A to E to F sharp minor to A, and then D, da-dum-dum. So that was A to E. And you could do, I saw one book that said you could do all the 2s for an F sharp minor 7, but it kind of sounds a little bit better to have the correct bass in there, you know. A to E, F sharp minor to A, and then D, da-dum-dum. And then we'd be back into the next verse. Two more times. And then A to E, D twice. And you can throw a little extra strums in there if you want. And then 2 hits, bump, bump. You put the load right on. A to E, F sharp minor A. Dum, dum, dum. Okay, and then at the end of the song, you're gonna have. And we'll do those chords again. Okay, and that's about it for that one. So let's look at that verse one more time. 3, 4, and A to C sharp minor, D, back to A, a little sus, other C sharp minor there. Okay, so 4 times of that. You're gonna move on to the next part. A to E to D twice. 3 and 4 and. 3 times. And then 2 hits on the D. Bump, bump. Put the load right on. A to E. F sharp minor A. D. Dum, dum, dum. We'll do it one more time. And. Okay, The Wait by the band. Great song. Let's look at that Pina Colada one more time. We had.